In today's video, I am going to teach you how to wash a dyed wolf armor in a cauldron in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. To remove dye from wolf armor, you will need a cauldron filled with water and the dyed wolf armor that you want to clean. This process is quick and easy once everything is ready. Start by placing a cauldron on the ground. You can put it anywhere that is convenient as long as you can access it easily. After the cauldron is placed, fill it with water. Make sure there is water inside before you try to wash the armor. If the cauldron is empty, the cleaning action will not work. Once the water cauldron is ready, move to your wolf and remove the dyed wolf armor from it. The armor needs to be in your inventory before you can wash it. If the wolf is still wearing the armor, you will not be able to use the cauldron on it directly. Take the armor off first, so that you can hold it in your hand. After that, select the dyed wolf armor in your hotbar and hold it in your hand. This is important because the game needs to recognize that this is the item you want to clean. If you are holding a different item, interacting with the cauldron will not remove the dye from the armor. Now face the water-filled cauldron and right-click on it while holding the dyed wolf armor. As soon as you do this, the dye will be removed from the wolf armor. The item will return to its original default color. This is the same basic idea as washing dyed leather gear, but in this case, you are specifically cleaning wolf armor. If the color does not change, check that the cauldron actually contains water, and confirm that you are holding the dyed wolf armor itself. Also make sure the armor was removed from the wolf before trying to wash it. In most cases, repeating the interaction correctly will solve the issue. After the dye is removed, you can keep the wolf armor in its original color, or put it back on your wolf right away. The washed armor is ready to use as normal, and no extra crafting or repair is needed after cleaning it. That covers everything you need to know.